Hey vlog, how y'all doing? Or whatever. Before I get started, let me X marks the spot because I don't want y'all to see my Addy dress. I would rip off the sticker, but that is very time consuming and that be taking a lot of time. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Well, I just wanted to get on camera, both cameras, TikTok and the vlog, because this is the vlog, this is TikTok. I wanted to get on camera and just do a little unboxing because the girl got a package from, as you can see, can you see this well? It says T-Post. I got a package from this company called T-Post. Let me tell y'all, don't just subscribe to anybody who gets in your email saying they want to send you this, that, and the do because then most likely there are some foreigners trying to do a whole lot of scam activities. And luckily I got my packages, but why does it taking me over 6 months since I've originally started and they were taking money in my account, and I wasn't aware of all these things, and I tried to like cancel the transactions, but apparently I had signed a subscription. I didn't even know all that, but okay. So I had got a t-shirt from them one time and I made a video, never posted the video because I actually didn't really like the video that I made. So who knows, maybe these t-shirts will be better, but I don't know, we'll see. So here's the package it came from, and mind you, this lady who I've been in communication with from this company, because they're literally in India, maybe? Yep, they're in India. So they're a t-shirt magazine company. Like, I don't know, I hope y'all like my hair. Y'all can see from the scarf. I had to get comfortable and just change out of my clothes because the girl ate, and like I was so full that like I couldn't do it, so I had to get comfortable, whatever. But yeah, like I was saying, T-Post is like this company where they're basically their first wearable magazine. They put a magazine on a t-shirt. I don't know, they was hyping it up, making it seem like it's real bad and real cute, like real all that. Like, don't get me wrong, it's cool, whatever, it's a t-shirt, but like I would never sign up for a subscription. Like, I had one free shirt from them already, and now they sent me 3 more. I thought I was only getting 2, but I got 3 shirts, so now I have a total of 4 shirts from them. Here's what they're looking like. Let me check this out. It's a single thing. Oh my gosh. The unboxing is very ghetto. Wow. So this, ooh, look at that. Nice little fat stack of magazines or whatever. Okay. What the fuck? How do they do this? Because this just be looking so... It's supposed to say T-Post. Like, that's what you're supposed to see. But 3 different ones. So let's start with the first one that's in my hand. Ciao, ciao, ciao. This is what it looks like. Straight out the magazine or whatever. Let me show y'all too. The back. This is the cover, you see. T-Post. Whatever. And then... it's literally a t-shirt. I'm pretty sure they're all the same t-shirt. She said I would be getting different ones, so I'm thinking like there's different styles or whatever, or maybe it's just like different headline covers or something. But I've never had a shirt this color, so I kind of like this. I don't know. It says it's reversible. Oh, it is reversible. All you gotta do is just tear this off. I wonder if the other one's reversible too. I bet you it is. I didn't even peep. Okay, here is the back of the shirt, right? Can y'all see that all too well? Okay, that's like what, the news article, I guess. Like, I don't know, it's the article, the issue 181, all the news that's fit to screen print. It's cute and I like the color. I'm not gonna lie, I've never had a shirt this color, and I'm already thinking about like, this is like a plain graphic tee with no graphics, just words or whatever. Never meet your heroes. It turns out they're all a bunch of fucking assholes. Norm Macdonald. I love that. I absolutely love that. I don't know why, but this color is just giving me so much life. Like, I can see it. Definitely wearing it with them shoes. The jeans. Yeah, I can see a little chill kill outfit. Oh my gosh. Okay, they are different. Oh, I remember seeing this one on the website. Okay. So they are all different. Because the other one has T-Post. So this is the front. What does it say? Fan first. Yeah, here this goes though. Okay. I like that. I wish this was just on the other side or whatever, but that's cool. There's nothing on the back. I love the color. I can definitely see it already being put together with the outfit. I see a pair of shoes that I can wear with it already. Ooh, I'm glad I'm getting t-shirts with colors because all my life I know black and white. More black. I have a lot of black clothes. Okay, here's another one. Boom skis. Here's what it looks like. And here's the other side. And the quote on this one says, "Life during the pandemic was fear of painful death by slow suffocation aside." Pretty chill. Yeah, okay. I can see why this shirt is definitely for me. Like, these are just my vibes. Oh, let me flip it inside out. And then this one says, "Thank you, come again." Oh my gosh. Yeah, and they are in a size medium. I like to get my size in medium because wash it, dry it enough times and it'll shrink. Not to like a tight small, but like still loose. I like t-shirts to feel a little bit loose because I love oversizing. I love like layering, shit like that. And the last one we have is a white shirt. Oh, I don't know. Like, I've just never had colored shirts looking like this. So and this one feels really... This feels different from the other ones. Definitely so. Different to the fingertip, for sure. A wise guy is always right. And even if he's wrong, he's right. Lefty. Haha. It's the battle of the I might be wrongs and the never wrongs. That's very cute. You get it, you get it. And if you don't, let it go over your head. And then come back and then maybe you'll figure it out. Here we are with the other side. Oh, okay, this one says sorry not sorry. I think I love this one the most. What the fuck? What? Look at this. Just read this. Like, what is all this shit? Oh my gosh. Anyways, thank you T-Post for my package. Love it. Even though it took you forever. Oh my gosh, that was so cute.
So
guys.
I will grab my mic.
Okay, hold on. Let me.
Hear me, and it's all the way over there, and I'm really comfortable right now, so I'm not gonna do all that.
Let me watch the TikTok and then we'll come back to y'all.